Hi friends, how are you? My name is Sherry Placco if you don't know me, and I'm a member of the When Life Gives You Oils team, just like all of you. Stacy enrolled me over 3 years ago, but I'm here to show you how to make your own DIY wipes. So, remember back in the day when you used to use those really bad Clorox wipes? Okay, don't use those anymore. They are gone from my house, from my classroom, like they're banned in my classroom. And don't mind anything around me. I literally just got home from school and I'm out of wipes. So I thought I would just pop on here and show you how to make them. So what do you need? Well, you knew this was gonna come out, right? You need your Thieves household cleaner. You need one of these awesome containers. I have seen other containers, or I've seen tricks where you have to cut the paper towels in half. I don't wanna do that. I want whatever's easy. So this wonderful container is that OXO brand. These little pop button ones. I bought it on Amazon. I'll post the link when I'm done. I think it was $19.95, and you're gonna reuse it forever. So you need your OXO container because look, the whole roll of paper towels fits in there. You don't have to do anything. And then you need a roll of paper towels. I find I like the larger size ones. The little skinny ones aren't going to fill this space as much, so you might as well get as many as you can at one time. I also prefer to use the paper towels. Normally I have the ones without the ink, but I like the Selecta size because I don't need a wipe this big. I like to conserve when I am wanting something quick like this, so I buy the Selecta size and whatever essential oil you like. I tend to go with lemon because, that's just the smell of clean. I do like to use jade lemon a lot, but because it's out of stock, I don't want to be bragging on my jade lemon. And then you need water. So I have got about 3 cups of water in here. I've got my Thieves household cleaner, and I've got my lemon essential oil and my paper towels. Now, honestly, the hardest part of making the wipes is getting the cardboard tube out of the middle. So I grab one of my little wooden spatulas, and you're just gonna wanna kind of go down in here between the cardboard and the paper towel and just kind of push your way around it a few times on each side of it. And when you do that, and it really doesn't take long, you just kind of push it all the way down through it and kind of work your way around. And you twist a little bit, and this is going to come right out. Voila. Now think about those bad Clorox wipes you used to use. You always pull it from the middle, right? This is the same way. So start by pulling just that little bit out. And now we're going to push it right into there. Look at how perfect is that? Whole roll of paper towels, easy peasy. You didn't have to cut anything, you didn't have to do anything. That was the hardest part of this process. So now I have 3 cups of water. If you're using the smaller size paper towel, the smaller roll, you'll probably want to use less water. I end up doing between 3 and 3.5 cups of water. The first time you do it is really gonna be your experimental phase to see if you needed more water or less. And now I'm gonna use 2 capfuls of the household cleaner. Because, I'm using it to clean. I use this on my counters when I need something quick, anything around my house that needs a quick wipe up where I don't necessarily wanna grab my spray, although how hard is that, right? But I'm just one of those girls that likes the quick wipe. So it was 2 capfuls of the household cleaner. And then I'm going to do about 20 drops of my essential oil. So my comments are all popping up, so I don't know if you guys can see me, so I'm gonna hold it up. Hopefully you can see what's on the counter. But I'm just gonna drop in my oil. See how fun and easy that is? I lost count, so that looks good. And now, another purpose for this, I'm gonna just stir it up a little bit. And now, here's the trick. You're gonna just slowly pour this over the roll of paper towels, really focusing on getting it slowly into the middle and on the top. Don't pour it down the sides. You really want it to just be able to slowly go in. So I just kind of take my time. So hopefully you guys are seeing all of this. And I'm pulling right down the middle. And you're probably thinking like, well, how is that going to work? How is it all going to make all the paper towels wet? So here's the trick. I can't use them until tomorrow. So I'm gonna let these sit overnight. You push it down, and with the roll of paper towels, it's gonna be a little snug this first time because it's still hard. Push it down, lock it down. It's now sealed. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna be able to come in here, open it up, and grab my first wipe right out of the middle and use it for everything. I have to tell you, I have these in my classroom. My students are in love with them. I teach in Chicago, and we eat breakfast in the classroom. Yeah, breakfast in the classroom. So imagine the messes I have every day. Now, I do have, a plastic version of the Thieves Cleaner in a plastic bottle because, I teach 8-year-olds. So these are always there with paper towels, but they always go for these. After the 3rd day of school, they all knew how to open them. And the funnest part is they smell delicious. So the kids are walking back to their desk like this. I've never seen anyone do that with a Clorox wipe. I mean, we have to wash our hands after we use the Clorox wipe. Here, they're kind of like walking across the classroom, going back and cleaning their desk, and then they're loving the smell of their hands. I mean, don't we want that? We should not have to wear gloves or a mask to clean. We can make it easy. So all you need is this lovely container, your household cleaner, whatever oil you like, and water. So how many of you are gonna try making these? I will post the link for the Amazon purchase. I think they sell them at Target, but I don't know. Amazon comes to my house kind of every day. So it just makes my life easier. Hope this was helpful, and have a great afternoon. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.